other sides. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I'm waiting at the doorstep, finally home. I've been gone for too long. Standing here a while just to take it all in. Radio's playing our song. And then you stood there smiling